Hey guys, so I'm sure a lot of you want to see how the charcoal mask is used. So what I did was I just washed my face clean, I dried it, and now it's prepared to actually get the charcoal mask. So I went and got me an applicator brush, and you can also get these from Mary Kay as well. And the thing is with the applicator brush, it allows you to use a little product that goes a long way. When you use it with your hands, you tend to use more product than you need to. So I'm just put a little bit of the charcoal mask on this applicator brush, and I'm gonna just start with my nose. And the thing is with this is that you don't have to worry about sideburns leaving and edges going away. You can just wipe this off with a warm towel and wipe it clean, and it won't take off anything, take off any skin or any hair or anything. It just takes out that dirt that you just brought up to the surface. So this has a navy bean extract in it, which helps with toning of your skin, and has a nice smell as well. So you can see it drying, right? So what you want to do is you want to set your timer to 15 to 20 minutes. Let it dry. Your face will start getting a little stiff, but that's because it's pulling up that dirt and the clay is getting hard. So go do the dishes, go watch TV, go write. 20 minutes is up. We'll come back and we'll see what has happened. So you see, here is how it looks when it dries. And you can see probably those pores and the dirt that's being pulled up, see? So all I'm gonna do now is take a warm towel and wipe it off. And I'm gonna show you how that's done, and I'm gonna let you go and enjoy beauty. Now what I used to moisturize was the Mary Kay 3D Time Wise Age Defying Moisturizer. Yes. See how that glow is? I love it. Love skincare. All right, guys. Good night.